Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to report fraud to Lloyds Bank quickly and safely. If you notice any suspicious transaction or think your account is compromised, act immediately and do not ignore it. First, log into your Lloyds mobile app or online banking and review your recent activity carefully. Next, use the Report Fraud or Dispute option available in your account to flag the suspicious transaction. After that, contact Lloyds Bank directly through their official helpline to report the issue in detail. Make sure you provide accurate information about the transaction so they can investigate faster. Also, block your card and change your password to secure your account right away. Finally, monitor your account regularly for any unusual activity. Taking quick action can help protect your money and prevent further fraud. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.